All right, the first thing we're going to do is grade your homework. So pause the video if you don't have your homework out, and I'm going to work through each question and show you what the answer is, but I'm going to also show you how I got the answer. Number 1. Minus 3x, cross out what's my answer, rewrite the question, divide by 3, cross out what's my answer, x equals 6. Number 2, minus 10x, cross out what's my answer, rewrite the question, 4x equals 8, divide by 4, cross out what's my answer, x equals 2. Number 3, minus 2x, cross out what's my answer, negative 8x equals 16, divide by negative 8, cross out what's my answer, x equals negative 2. Number 4, plus 2x, cross out what's my answer, 15x equals negative 150, divide by 15, cross out what's my answer, x equals negative 10. All right, here's the next 3. Number 5, minus 8x, negative 2x equals 14, divide by negative 2, you get negative 7. Number 6, we want to move these x's to the other side, so we do minus x, 4 minus 1 is 3 x's, 3x equals 72, divide by 3 and you get 24. Negative 7x, 2 negatives means we really add, same signs find the sum, negative 10x equals 50, divide by negative 10, and you end up with negative 5. All right, for number 8, we want to move the 6x to the other side, that way all of our x's are together, and so I'm going to subtract 6x, minus 6x, cross out what's my answer, 8 equals 4x, divide by 4, cross out what's my answer, x is 2. So this whole section, we want to move the 6x's over to the right, the negative 7x's to the right. All the x's are going to move over here so that all of the x's are on the right-hand side of the equation. Question 9. I'm going to add 7x's to both sides. That gives me 10x. I'm going to divide by 10 on both sides. That means x equals 4. All right, number 10, minus 5x, 8 minus 5 is 3. Divide by 3, when I do this division, I get negative 14. Minus 2x, that gives me 5x. Divide by 5, I did it over here, I get 7 with 3 left over, or you could do a decimal, 7.6. All right, number 12. I'm going to move 7x's to the right, minus 7x, I get 1x, I don't have to do another step. X equals negative 9. I'm going to move the 3x to the other side by adding 3x, that makes 6x's, divide by 6, x is 4. I'm going to subtract x, 7 minus 1 is 6 x's, divide by 6, x equals 15. Pause the video and turn your homework in to me, and then hit play again and we will be doing new questions. You need a piece of paper. We're going to start the homework, and the first couple of questions for the homework, I'm going to work them out as you do them, and then the rest of the homework you'll do on your own. Pause the video if you need to get a piece of paper. All right, question number 1, write 7x plus 2 equals 5x minus 26 on your paper. Now, we need to get the purple things, which are x's, to the same side. We need to move the blue things, the numbers, to the same side. You have options. We could move this purple over here to match this guy, or we could move the 5x over here to be on the same side as this guy. We could move the 2 over to the right, we could move the negative 26 over to the left. My best advice is to always move the x's left. That's where students have the most success. It makes it look the most normal when we're done. Move those x's. That's going to be your first song. Always, 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 because that's my best advice. Could you do it a different way? Yes, you could have a different first song. Okay, so if I want the 5 x's to go away and I want them to move to the other side, I'm going to write minus 5x, cross out what's my answer. 7 minus 5 is 2x. Now I'm going to rewrite the question. 2x plus 2 equals negative 26. Now I've got purple on this side and I've got blue on each side. So let's move these blues over here. I'm going to sing minus 2, cross out what's my answer. Same signs, find the sum. Negative 28. Rewrite the question. 2x equals negative 28. Now we're down to one more song, which is divide by 2, cross out what's my answer. X equals negative 14. Let's recap. We moved these purples over to these purples. Then I only was down to 2 purples, 2 x's on the left. Then I moved these blues to this side. So I had purples on one side, blues on the other side. All right, write question 2 down on your paper. 6x plus 10 equals 8x plus 44. My best advice is to move these purples so that all the purples are on the left. My first song is minus 8x, cross out what's my answer. 6 minus 8. We're used to seeing it look like this, 6 minus 8. That makes negative 2, negative 2x. Rewrite the question, negative 2x plus 10 equals 44. Now I need to move these blues to this side, these numbers, so that they are on the same side as other numbers. I'm going to pause the video and you should be able to finish it from here. You should have sang minus 10, cross out what's my answer. You should have sang divide by negative 2, what's my answer. 2 goes into 34 17 times, and it's negative. X equals negative 17. If you don't have this answer, erase your work, copy what I did, and then push play on the video. Question 3, write this one down. 8x plus 3 equals 7x minus 9. First thing we're moving are these purple numbers right here, these purple x's. We want 7 x's to go to the same side as the 8 x's. Try that on your own. You should have done minus 7x, cross out what's my answer. 8 minus 7 is 1. Rewrite the question, x plus 3 equals negative 9. You have one more song to sing. Try it on your own. You should have done minus 3, cross out what's my answer. X equals negative 12. Question 4, 2x plus 14 equals negative 6x plus 78. Do the first song, and then let's check to see that you're on the right track. you should have done plus 6x plus 6x. Cross out what's my answer, 8x. If you did not do that, erase, pause the video, erase, and fix it. Rewrite the question, 8x plus 14 equals 78. Try the next song by yourself. You should have done minus 14, cross out what's my answer. 78 minus 14 is 64. Rewrite the question. Sing one more song. Divide by 8, cross out what's my answer. X equals 8. All right, number 5. 10x plus 25 equals 5x minus 10. Pause the video, work this one out all the way to the very end, and then hit play to see if you were correct. Your first song should have been minus 5x minus 5x. 10 minus 5 is 5. Your second song should have been minus 25 minus 25. Same signs, find the sum. We get negative 35. Your last song should have been divide by 5. Therefore, x equals negative 7. Now check Google Classroom for the rest of your homework. It'll start on question 6, and you'll add it to this piece of paper, and we'll grade it on Monday.